Samsung just made your music smoother and your battery way smarter. And trust me, you won't be able to go back once you see this. Samsung is cooking up One UI 8.5 based on Android 16, and it's shaping up to be one of the most polished and useful updates yet. It's not just about new features, it's about making your phone feel better every time you use it. Smooth music transitions that just feel right. Right now, when you skip a song, the album art just jumps to the next one. Boring. But with One UI 8.5, Samsung is adding smooth sliding transitions between tracks, making every song switch look buttery and seamless. It's a tiny change, but it makes your lock screen feel premium. You'll still get the quick play, pause, and skip buttons without unlocking your phone. And tapping the player opens a full screen music interface with bigger album art. Now, with that sweet, fluid animation. Smarter battery insights. You'll actually understand. The old one long battery graph is gone. In One UI 8.5, Samsung is replacing it with a clean weekly bar chart that shows your daily power usage, plus an average line, so you instantly know whether you're using more or less power than usual. It's simple, visual, and super helpful for spotting apps or habits that drain your phone faster. Release timeline. Beta version, expected around November 2025. Official launch, likely with the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026. And about One UI 9? Samsung's not copying Apple on this. If you thought Samsung would jump to One UI 26 just to match iOS, nope. One UI 9 will still launch alongside Android 17, keeping things logical instead of flashy. Expected release? With the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8 in Q3 2026, with beta testing likely starting in May. So, what do you think? Smoother music or smarter battery? Which feature impressed you more? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you love staying one step ahead of the update curve, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll be breaking down every hidden feature of One UI 8.5 as soon as it drops.